Struggling to get views on your YouTube videos? One of the biggest reasons could be your thumbnail. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional, eye-catching YouTube thumbnail like this using Canva for completely free. First, open the Canva app. On the Canva homepage, click Create a New Design. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail, then select the YouTube thumbnail option. You'll be taken to a new Canva page where you can start designing your thumbnail. Next, click on the blank canvas. You'll notice several editing options appear at the top of the page. Now, click on the background color option. By default, it's white, but for this tutorial, we're going to change it to yellow. The next step is to add the image or icon you want to use in your thumbnail. For this tutorial, we'll be using an image. Click on the Uploads tab and select the image you want to use. As you can see, I already have a few images uploaded. Choose your preferred image and drag it onto the canvas. Next, remove the background by clicking BG Remover. Since this image isn't facing the direction I want, I'll click Flip to change its position. You can also enhance your image by adding filters or making any other adjustments you'd like. To create the glow effect, click on the image and select Edit. Scroll down to Filters and choose the Warm filter. Then scroll down to Shadows and select Glow. Change the glow color to match your background if you'd like. Increase the size, blur, and intensity until you're happy with the result. As you make these adjustments, you may notice the glow shifting slightly. Simply keep adjusting until it looks the way you want. Once you're satisfied, resize the image and position it where it stands out clearly on the thumbnail. Now for the exciting part, adding the text. Click on the Text tab and choose any text style. Next, click Effects. Scroll down to Apps and open Text Studio Maker. Wait for the app to load, then choose any style you like. For this tutorial, I'm using the yellow-white 3D style. Type the title or text you want on your thumbnail and make sure the spelling is correct before continuing. You can customize the effect if you'd like, but I'll leave it as it is for this tutorial. Now click Add to Design and wait a few seconds for the text to load. Once it's ready, it will appear on your canvas like this. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Now, let's continue. Next, we'll add the remaining text using Canva's regular text tool. Before that, let's create a background for the text. Click on Elements and drag an oblong shape onto the canvas. Change its color to black. Next, click Stroke Style, add a white stroke, and adjust the size to your preference. Duplicate the shape, then change the second shape to white with a black stroke. Now we have two text containers. Click on Text, add a new text box, and change the font to Gotham Condensed. Type your text and position it on the first shape. Duplicate the text, change the font to Gotham, and place it on the second shape. Highlight both text layers and curve them to fit the design. Next, go to Uploads and add any image you'd like. For this tutorial, I'll use a thumbnail I designed previously. Click Stroke Style and add a stroke to the image. Set the stroke weight to around 10. Then adjust the corner rounding to about 45. After that, click Edit, scroll down to Shadows, and select Outline. Change the outline color to white, or any color that matches your design. Finally, let's add a few decorative elements. Click on Elements, and search for any graphics you'd like. For this tutorial, I'm using a cloud element. Drag it onto the canvas, and position it wherever it looks best. To finish the design, add the Canva logo to the thumbnail, and that's it. Congratulations! You've just created a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail in Canva without spending any money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.